Hello everyone. Let's complete the remaining chapters of Kent, BTPP and BBCR. So in a previous class we have studied till chapter urine. After that 31st chapter of BBCR is urinary organ. And the same chapters are also present in BTPP and Kent. Next chapter is genitalia, male and female. It is a single chapter in BBCR. In BTPP it is given as sexual organs, and in Kent both the chapters are different for male and female. So male genitalia and female genitalia. Next chapter in BBCR is sexual impulse, which are absent in BTPP and Kent. The next chapter is menstruation, which is present in BTPP but absent in Kent. Next chapter is respiration. Same chapters are present in BTPP and Kent. Next is cough. Same chapters present in BTPP and Kent. Now next chapter is larynx and trachea, which is a single chapter in BBCR, but in BTPP it is given under chapter air passage, and in Kent also larynx and trachea are single chapter. Voice and speech in BBCR, but no such chapter is in BTPP and Kent. In BTPP, larynx and trachea and voice and speech are all given under the chapter air passage. Next chapter is neck and external throat. In BTPP, it is given as external throat and neck. The words are placed one before other in different way in these two. So next chapter is chest, both same as BTPP and Kent. Next is back, both same, back. Now the next chapter is upper extremities. In BBCR, same chapter is present in BTPP, but in Kent, only chapter extremities is there. Then after upper extremities, lower extremity is there, which is same present in BTPP, but there is no such chapter in Kent. There is only single chapter named as extremities in Kent. So the next chapter is sensation and complaints. Same is present in BTPP, sensation and complaints, but absent in Kent. Glands present in BBCR and BTPP. Bones present in BTPP and BBCR. Now the skin chapter is present in all the three. Sleep chapter is present in Kent. Sleep and dream in BTPP and sleep in BBCR. So in Kent and BBCR, sleep chapters are given alone, but in BTPP, sleep is given together with dream chapter. So the next chapter of BBCR is dream. In BTPP, it is given as sleep and dream. And there is no such chapter dream in Kent. Now next chapter is fever, which is same in all three. Next chapter is compound fever, which is absent in BTPP and in Kent. Uh, uh, in Kent, chill, fever, and perspiration are three different chapters. Chill and perspiration are not there present in Kent, BBCR and BTPP. Now next chapter is condition in general, which is present in BTPP, but in Kent only generalities chapter is there. Now next chapter in BTPP is modalities. In BBCR it is given as aggravation and amelioration, and which is absent in Kent. And the last chapter of BBCR is concordance, and same it is in BTPP. But in BTPP it is given as relationship of remedies instead of concordance. Both chapters are same. So we have completed all the chapter comparison of BBCR, Kent and BTPP. Thank you.